What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. So thank you so much to everyone who keeps leaving questions down below the videos. So this will be another Teespring tutorial, and this is a comment that I had below on one of my videos the other day. So can you buy your own shirts to build up your trust score? So stay to the end of this video and we'll dive into that. Thanks to everyone who keeps liking the videos, commenting on the videos, and hitting subscribe. You guys are the best. So before we dive into that, let's look at what the trust score is. So the trust score, for you guys that are new to it, is something that Teespring and only Teespring runs with, but it's something that they've implemented since they've gotten so popular, and that is to weed out the spam and bad sellers. So what it is you have to have at least two sales and up. There is no specific number, but at least two sales, and also verify your payment information before you can be put onto their marketplace, and then before you can also be put onto their boosted network. So they have a boosted network where Teespring will really push their marketing for you and advertise your shirts all around the internet. So just to touch on this some more, one thing that you've got to be aware of is you can't actually do anything that's going to be copyright infringement. So you can't be uploading brands, you can't be doing anything spammy, which is like limited edition, must buy today, things like that. So anything like that is not going to help you to get your Teespring trust score initially, and it might also negatively affect your account. So just be aware of that. But let's get into like whether you can actually buy your own shirts to help get you boosted onto that marketplace and in Teespring's marketplace in front of people. So the big question, can you buy your shirts and build up your own trust score? The answer is actually no, and there is a bit of a workaround. So you can get your family and friends to buy them. So there's two things that Teespring are going to be looking at. One is IP address, so you don't want to be doing it off your home internet address. And the second one is credit card. So whatever card you're paying with, obviously it can't be your name on there. So these are things that they look at to make sure that people aren't gaming the network, if you know what I mean. So just be aware of that. That doesn't mean you can't get friends and family to buy your shirts. So you could be at work on a different IP address or something like that, or just get your workmates to pay for it and then you pay them back, things like that. As long as you've got other IP address and different card information, you should be fine to be able to help you get onto that marketplace. So the big thing will be you need to get at least two sales, so probably more is better. You can't be doing spammy things, you can't be doing copyright things, so that also includes movie titles, song quotes, lyrics from a song. There's a lot of things that they're looking out for, so no spam and no copyright sort of strikes and no brand sort of strikes. So if you stay away from those, you should be fine, and then you'll be able to get onto that Teespring marketplace. They will run marketing for you and push your shirts out into the marketplace, and you'll come up in searches when you're looking for yourself or other people are looking for shirts like yours. So if you're in the cat niche, you'll actually show up on the Teespring marketplace for the cat t-shirt that you're looking for, things like that. And they also will advertise you around the internet, and you'll get a lot more drive out of their marketing. So Teespring's awesome at that. They do like what's called partial marketing, so they'll kind of push your shirts for you, but you just have to get onto that network and onto that marketplace to start with. So answer to this video is no, you can't buy your own shirts to get onto to build your Teespring trust score, but you can get other people to buy them for you, and then make sure it's not on the same IP address, make sure it's not your name on the credit card bill or whatever payment information you're using, and then you should be able to boost up your ranking and get onto that marketplace. Thanks very much for watching, guys. This is turning out to be really cool because so many of you are engaging with the YouTube content. So please comment below. I'm answering all the comments. I'm making videos from your comments. If you have any video suggestions, make sure you comment them below this one, or comment them below any of my YouTube videos that I've been putting out. Make sure you check out the print on demand playlist, because as I've said in other videos, a lot of people will check out some of these videos and ask questions, but they've been answered in the playlist. So I've got about 40 videos in there, or 40 plus videos. Make sure you check out the print on demand playlist. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you're new, please give the video a like. Please comment below, as I said, and please hit subscribe.